Okay, it's Patty Hesmer, and I'm showing you how to make kolaczki cookies for Christmas, and I'm doing the gluten-free version. So I already showed you how to make it with regular flour. So instead of 3 cups like the regular flour, I use 2.5 cups of gluten-free all-purpose flour. And you need 1 package of cream cheese and 2 sticks of butter. And a little bit of vanilla. I just put a little sprinkle of it, okay? And I put it in the mixer, probably for about 3 minutes, okay? And the dough came out really, really good. So I'm gonna see if how it tastes, the difference. So I started making them, okay? I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for probably 8 to 10 minutes. And I'll just show you a little more how to cut these. I make them into almost like a roll and then cut them, I don't know, just like the size of a cookie, because they're not really going to get too much bigger. But you want enough so that you can push it down onto the cookie sheet. When you push it down, you want to make a circle, okay? And then once you make the circle, you're going to add the fruit to it. So this is gluten-free too, apricot from Solo. And then what we do too, say you like a different flavor, they don't have it because there's really just different flavors for the Solo. We'll take, this is also gluten-free, Lucky Leaf, for like a pie. I'll take it and I'll put it in a mixer and almost make it like watery, and I'll use it for the filling too. Now if you wanted to make cream cheese filling, you could do just like if you were making a cheesecake, but just take like 1 thing of cream cheese and a 1/2 cup of sugar and an egg and mix it with a little vanilla, and you can just kind of put it in your circle if you wanted the cream cheese filling too. Okay? And then I'm going to have my husband try both and tell me which one is better, the regular or the gluten-free, or if there's a difference.